Open your eyes. This is the light from AmbiVision PRO. Are you ready for a whole new dimension in entertainment? It's here. The AmbiVision PRO is the first truly standalone ambient lighting solution supporting all video sources. AmbiVision PRO seamlessly projects motion from the screen onto the wall behind it, creating a halo of vibrant light and action around your TV. Thanks to the direct capturing technology, you can watch all your movies and TV shows come to life like never before. Just place AmbiVision PRO somewhere in your room and then you feel like you're a part of the movie. AmbiVision PRO improves your viewing experience by creating a feeling of a larger screen and drastically reducing eye strain. Thanks to the wall adaptive function, the color of the light is perfect, regardless of your wall color. Each LED is controlled separately to provide an explosion of perfectly aligned colors in high resolution for a maximized immersive effect. Intensify your viewing experience with this unique technology. Order your own AmbiVision PRO on www.ambivision.tv.